Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm here at Moore Engineering Services in our 3D print lab, and I wanted to talk to you about prototyping. Prototyping is a lot of fun and interesting process that can actually have a surprising amount of failure, if you want to put it that way. I actually prefer steps towards success. And not everyone is a great leap, some of them are stumbles. But each one is just as important as the last to get you to that final product that you need and want. Great example of that is this. This is a filaments guide that we use in our 3D print lab. When I started here, this is exactly what we used on our printers. It solved a very specific need we had, but then we made some upgrades on our printers and this no longer cut it. And the step from getting to this to what we have on our printers today took a bit. So this is Model 1. Model 2 was a little more busy, a little more complicated, and ultimately we needed to make some changes to it. And you'll see Model 3 here, very, very close to what we were looking for and needed, but needed some last little tweaks to really dial in the fit and finish of the product. And then we go on to Model 4, which is what we're using on our print machines today, helping this filament get right into our printers without getting tangled on all the other stuff that's going on here. Those failures are really steps toward getting to what we really needed that really work for us, and I'm excited to do that for you. So if you want to get into that prototyping process, see these things fast in your hands, because you can really only learn what you need to learn when you're holding that product in your hand. And then we can iterate on it together and get it closer and closer and dialed in to what you need rapidly. You can find out more about our prototyping services on moreeng.com, and you'll find all of that information in the description below as well. And we'd love to work on your product and help you see what you're working on in your hands soon.